Hey fellow flowers, Violet here. Today I am going to be showing you how to make the quad stitch. So if you're ready, grab your string and let's get into it. Our first order of business is to pick 4 different colors of plastic string, Gimp, or CRAFTLACE. This I got from Pepperell Braiding Company. I'll post a link down below if you'd like to shop their Amazon website. But first, you want to cut your 4 pieces of string to be the same length. Next, grab all 4 pieces of string at one end. Then using your other hand, grab the other end. Now take them all in the same hand. And we're going to try to find our midpoint. So using my other hand, there we go, found my middle. And I'm going to pinch it right there. You'll notice that all 4 strings are facing the same direction. All of them are going up and down. So I need to pick 2 of the strings and turn them so that they're perpendicular or 90 degrees to those other 2. So you can think of this as making an X or making a cross with 2 of the strings over the other 2 and then pinching that with your non-dominant hand because we're going to use our dominant hand to help us actually weave this thing. You'll know that you're ready for the next step when you have something that looks like this. Next, we're going to form 4 loops. So I'm going to start with the white string on top, and I'll bring this one down over my thumb. Next, the bottom one, bring that up and hold it with my finger there. We'll make the 3rd loop with this blue here, bring that down, and we'll hold it with my back fingers. And then the final blue string, we'll bring that up and over. So you'll see now I have 4 loops, and I'll slow it down for a second because I want to show you that we have 1 on the left, 2 is the next white, 3 is the first blue, and then 4 is the last blue. Now I'm going to pick up my purple string that is on the right, and I'll weave over number 4, under number 3, and I'll pull this through because we next need to go over number 2 and under number 1. And then we can pull it all the way through. Now we'll grab the purple string that is on the left, and this one needs to go over number 1, under number 2, over number 3, and under number 4. So essentially doing the same thing we did before, but flipping the numbers around a bit. And you'll see that I'm over 1, under 2, over 3, under 4, and we can pull that through. Now for the gold string on the right, we will do the same thing that we did for the purple string that was on the right. We'll go over 4, under 3, and then if you need to pause for a second to kind of pull your string through, like I need to do here, we'll pull this guy through. And now we'll do the same thing, over 2, under 1. So it's this continuation of that pattern, over, under, and then when you go the opposite direction, over, under, and that's what's going to lock everything into place. So I'll move that gold string out of the way, grab the gold that was on the left here, and I need to do that same pattern going the opposite direction. So I'll go over 1, which is this white string on the left, and I need to go underneath number 2, which is this kind of like loop that's tucked behind here. So let me kind of move the strings aside so that I can get in there, and we'll go underneath that white one right there. And now we'll pull that through. And then I need to go over number 3, which is this blue string that's kind of coming at you. And I need to go underneath number 4, which is that blue loop back here. So we'll go over number 3 out and then underneath number 4 and pull it through. And now we're ready to tighten it all up. And to do that, you pretty much just hold 2 of the strings at a time and then tighten the other 2. So it's kind of just this like alternating. You can turn the lanyard if you need to, tighten everything up evenly. But there you have it. That is how you start the quad stitch. So now I'm going to show you how to do the actual stitches. Now, if you started it in the same order as me, you'll see that you have kind of this open blue space at the top. And so taking this blue string that was aiming downwards, we're going to bring it up and put it into that blue space. Next, we'll grab the blue string at the top, bring him down to his space, then the white, bring that one up, and the last white will bring it down. So now we're going to kind of renumber everything using our same 1, 2, 3, 4 schematic, except this time we're going to start with the gold string that is over on the top left. And with this, we'll go over 1, under 2, over 3, under 4, and pull it through. And then we'll grab its buddy that's hanging over here on the right. And this one needs to go over 4, under 3, which are the white strings. So the number 4 is this white string that's all the way on the right. So go over that, underneath the next one, and then over the blue underneath that last blue, and pull it through. Next, we're going to do the same exact thing for our purple strings. So starting with this one on the left, I'll go over the first blue that is all the way on the left, underneath the second one, and then we'll go over the white and underneath the last white here. And we can pull that through. And finally, for our last string, we will go over 4, under 3, and then over 2, under 1, and pull that one through. Now let's tighten that all up. And with what we've done so far, this is what you should have. You can go ahead and play the video back if you need to, but to finish it, we're just gonna continue to do the same thing over and over until you get this kind of formation here. And then you can finish it however you'd like. I just trimmed off the strings because I'm pretty confident that I tightened it enough that they'll just stay. But yeah, that is the quad stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Thanks so much, keep blooming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.